the blessing is most merciful and most beneficent. So that today our video we are going to see the Google Gmail account settings. So visiting to my Gmail and what are the data and privacy setting. First of all, I have selected my data and privacy section. Key privacy option to help you choose the data saved into your Google account, the ads you'll see info, and share with your other more. So that here is a privacy suggestion available for you. The privacy suggestions that are available here, you can see that. So that take the privacy checkup here and you can see choose the settings that are right for you. Now click on the review suggestion. As soon as you click on review suggestion, you can see review your privacy suggestions generated from Google services that you use the most and that you use the most. Make plan for your account. Use inactive account manager to plan what happen to your data if you stop using your account. So make a plan. I want to make a plan at my Gmail account. As soon as I click on inactive account manager, plan what happened to your data if you can't use your Google account anymore. On the side, when Google should consider your accounts will be inactive and what we do to your see that option. He is asking that how much long you want to select your after that the after your selected period your account will be considered as inactive, so that your account will be selected so that so here so here you can see you can see so that you can see here. I click on start. As soon as I click on start here you can see the option. Now I click on after the pencil. So after that you can you as you wish you can select your account so that add a phone number. I can add a phone number here. Okay, that is my phone number. As soon as I click on next, my phone number will be selected here, and here's also the manage contact email, so that you can read and decide when Google should consider your account. Your Google account will be inactive. When the Google should consider it to be inactive, we will figure the plan that you set up if not have used your Google account for some time, so that the Google will consider it inactive. Choose who notify and what to show and decide if your inactive Google account should be deleted. So that I go back and I'm not going to mention that, so that here you can review your web and app activity setting. Saving your activity means you will get more personalized experience in apps such and other services like faster searches and better recommendation. You can change your settings at any time to make sure that they are right for you. First, I'm going to click here. You can see the activity control. Here is the activity control of my Google account. So in the next video, we'll discuss the activity control in detail. So goodbye for today. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.